You were shouting about this yesterday, Mo. Spotify and Discord back
Well, people in the chat were.
online after
while we were live.
outages. Yeah, you were yelling and screaming about this yesterday.
Well, I was just
So
noticing.
go ahead and break it down for us.
I actually don't know fully what happened, but we were live yesterday, and the chat was blowing up that Spotify's down, Discord's down. So I checked on my phone, and I was logged out of Spotify too.
So when did it come back for you?
Until after the show. So I don't know. I would say maybe I noticed like 2-3 hours later it was good. On my drive home, I was listening to Spotify, so things went back up. But I didn't fully understand, why did it go down in the first place? What caused it to go down and all this outrage, as this article says?
Well, let's find out.
Oh, it doesn't say outrage.
Apparently, it's
well, the key was what was the connection, right? Why Spotify and Discord? Like these are not like why that combination of things. And it appears, based on further investigation, Google Cloud problems disconnected both services this afternoon. So both of them relying on similar back-end cloud.
It wasn't hacking, right? Like from
Apparently
Russia.
No.
That's what I saw in the comments.
Wait a second.
Oh.
Curious. According to Discord, after restarting its streaming service to fix one problem, a new issue caused a failure of its API. And as of about 30 minutes ago, they were still investigating. Spotify's status account tweeted that they're looking into it. Spotify didn't go into detail, but a case study posted by Google Cloud confirms they're also a customer, and that may explain the sudden issues for both services. Ooh, speculation from The Verge here. So maybe not, unless we have an update somewhere below there. We're aware of an ongoing issue with HTTP 500 errors on Google Cloud Load Balancer. Our teams are investigating, and updates are being posted on the status dashboard. And then Spotify says something's not quite right. So yeah, okay, maybe that's the case. They're both customers, similar issues. Because otherwise it would be quite the coincidence, wouldn't it, Mo? That they both screwed something up on their own at the exact same time.
Oh, I think it's related.
So you're a big Spotify guy, Mo?
Yeah.
You're not boycotting Spotify?
No, are people boycotting Spotify? I don't know.
Oh, Neil Young.
Oh, no. I'm not boycotting for that, no.
Why not?
I like my Spotify. What are we doing here?
Will, you almost did a spit take over there.
I know. I needed a bucket.
You really enjoyed that one.
Oh. I just feel that energy that is brought on like it's super thick air. Yeah.
What energy are you talking about? I'm just asking some questions, man.
All right. Anyways.
Update.
So, yeah.
Here we go. Okay. Update. Aware. Fixed. Back. Get your Discord in. Read all about it. Get your Discord. Get your Spotify. Hot dogs and beers.
There you go.
You're at the ball game. Extra. Read all about it. I was just combining two different ways in which the thing is sold to you in the old days, where they can just yell it out.
Newspaper.
Get your hot dogs.
And baseball.
Cold beer. You know the guy walking around in the stadium, it just says cold beer on his chest.
Oh,
Simple advertising.
pretty good.
That guy.
Yeah. So simple.
Yeah.
But
because it's hot out and he has cold beer.
yeah.
And it's such an odd scenario where you need the other people to pass it down to you, and then you can pass the money down to him,
Yeah.
depending where you're sitting. Get your hot dogs. And then, of course, the other guy is the newspaper guy, which Will's a newsman now. Extra, read all about it. Do you know why it's extra?
No, why?
I don't know.
Oh, my God. You baited me with that one.
I think it's like extra edition, like extra. It's good. It's good value.
Right. It seems like there's a deal.
Extra. Oh, extraordinary.
Oh.
If an extraordinary event. It's a short for, you don't hear that very often.
No.
Short for extraordinary. Extra, read all about it.
Yeah, imagine yelling extraordinary.
Can't do it. So you're trying to tell people that there's an amazing story that took place. They need to read about it. It was like clickbait. It was like newspaper days clickbait, except it was a guy actually yelling it. And you're walking past and you're like, give me one of those. And you buy the paper from him because you need to know the story and you have nowhere else to get it. Imagine that business. No smartphone, no nothing. You need the newspaper from the guy. Isn't that an incredible history to try to imagine that information used to be confined to these publications?
Yes.
All information, you had to buy this physical piece of paper of some kind,
Yes.
newspaper or magazine. And it was a handful of people creating all the content for everyone. And now it's everyone creating content for everyone. Much different landscape.